All right, folks, it's time for the drawing for the Jase Medical gift card. We're going to give you a quick little bit of info on Jase, and then we're going to do that drawing. So let's get into it. All right, welcome back. So we're going to do the drawing on the Jase case card today. You're going to get a free, if you win, you're going to get that card. You can redeem that for a free case. Now, the case price on it is now $269. This says $259, is it? Yeah, $259. You may have to add $10. I don't know. It may just cover the case price. I'm not sure. They sent it to me for Christmas, and I guess their prices went up in the new year, so it's $10 more. But you may not. I don't know. Anyway, that's going to be the drawing. We're going to use random comment picker. We're going to pick a comment, and we're going to go from there and see if you guys can win something. Now, I only have one, so I can only give away one. Quickly about Jase, okay? It's a brand new year. They're doing a little discount this time, okay? If you are interested in getting ibuprofen, a little bit of a higher dosage ibuprofen in your Jase case, this month you can use my code and my link down below. You'll get it for $1. All right? So if you want to add that on, $1 extra gets you all the ibuprofen you'll probably need for quite a while. They don't do painkillers, but that's an over-the-counter painkiller, which they are allowed to do. So, if you want to order add-ons in general, let's say you get this and you want to add another $20, $30 worth of meds, you want to add on or whatever. If you've ordered a case in the past, okay, you can start your order, do the case, use that to pay for it, and then you can pick add-ons after. If you've already purchased a Jase case, you're eligible to purchase the standalone add-on products, okay? I will tell you some of what they have. They have a ton of add-on products now. It's not just antibiotics anymore. So you'll start your Jase case order with your original purchase email. Use the original purchase email, When you get to the replenishment page, select I only want to order new add-on medications I haven't purchased yet. At the end, you'll be able to select your desired add-on. Now, you're still going to have to pay a patient fee and shipping and all that stuff, but you can add stuff on, okay? Now, as far as what they have for add-ons, and this goes true to anybody. If you're interested in ordering this case and having a year's supply of antibiotics for yourself for emergencies, prescribed to you from a doctor in the United States directly to your door, this is definitely a good deal, and especially with the video that we did the drawing about, we're doing the drawing about, with the FDA cracking down on fish antibiotics now. This is going to be probably one of the few places where you can actually get them for emergency purposes. So, the extra add-on items that they have anti-seizure meds, antiviral meds, asthma meds, autoimmune, blood thinner stuff, Eliquis, cholesterol, diabetes, digestion, hair loss, headaches, heart and blood pressure meds. There's a huge list for that. Mental health meds, some of them, some pain meds, meloxicam, I believe, thyroid meds, and urinary tract infection and any kind of other urinary issue medications. So there are add-ons. There is hope. If you take these medications daily and you need to, you can add them on. Or you can do the Jase Daily thing and check that out as well when you order your case. So definitely check them out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my phone set up here on Random Comment Picker. We already preloaded the video, and we're going to pick a winner for that little guy right there. Now, this is only open to people in the United States, okay? If you made a comment and you win and you're not from the U.S., we can always work something out, I guess. But the shipping for this and the shipping of your medication to you isn't possible if you're in a foreign country. So this is only open to the United States, and I believe Canada now. I think Canada has Jase Medical, so we'll have to check that out. But I'm pretty sure that you can do that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the screen here. We're going to pull it up, and we're going to do the drawing. All right, I'm using Random Comment Picker here. I already got the YouTube comments. We got 197. We're going to hit start. These are all the people in here going through. Dwight Orich 4386. Great video. I don't always get notifications. It's not just your channel. Thanks. So, Dwight, you have won the gift card from Jase Medical. Now, folks, please, if you know the guy, leave a message. I have no way anymore to message people on YouTube. I kind of miss the days when you could send somebody a message to say, hey, you won my contest. Unfortunately, they don't allow us to do that anymore on YouTube. I am going to check his profile for emails. But Dwight Orich, turn back up. You have won the Jase Medical gift card for $259. Definitely cool. And I thank you guys for participating. I know there were some folks here that, they never seem to win anything and they get a little bit depressed. Don't, because you can order this stuff and you can be ready no matter what, okay? it's really nice to have Jace as a partner and the ability to call them up, ask them questions if you have any kind of problems. You have a medical guide that they send you. But the best part is that 800 number where if you say, you know, I have this symptom and I'm not sure what's going on, and they can say, you know what, take 2 of these, take 1 of those, every 2 hours, 4 hours, whatever. And you'll actually be speaking to a doctor that's going to tell you what to do. Now, for that, I just want to say thanks for the drawing. Thanks for participating. Don't forget, folks, we got some links down below, and I have a really cool deal going on this month with My Patriot Supply. That's preparewithiridium.com. Okay? You're going to get a chance to get a 3 months food supply. All right? You're going to save $200 on it. That's 2,000 calories a day, 22 varieties, 25-year shelf life. You got breakfast, lunches, dinners, snacks, drinks, everything. Resealable heavy-duty 4-layer pouches. Okay, they got oxygen absorbers in it. That's over 120 pounds of food with $200 off, and that's dehydrated. There's no MSG. It's 6 rugged, waterproof, resistant buckets. You guys have seen the buckets, okay? That's under $600, taking that $200 off. So you're going to get it for $597. If you have no food at all, and you're just paying attention to the world events and preparedness, this is an excellent way to get a kickstart. Now, if that's not your thing and you're already telling me, yeah, I got that, I don't like that food, whatever, we also have a deal on the Vesta self-powered indoor space heater. You guys remember when I demoed that and the video just went nuts. People loved it. Okay? It's going to come with canned heat, okay? The Instafire, that's 8 3-packs of 24 cans. You're going to get the indoor space heater and stove, and we even cooked with it. So without a proper heat source, you're 1 power outage away from freezing. This thing is pretty darn cool. And it doubles as a convenient stove, so you can safely cook and heat indoors. That stuff's safe to use, okay? You can use 3 cans of canned heat at once. I'm going to tell you something. After I did the video, you can look back on the date. I forget the date I did the video. I have used 6 cans since, and I have it running every single time I've been out here. All right, so that's probably been about a month. You know, and I run it for about 2 to 3 hours when I shoot my videos every day, so you can imagine it lasts a pretty long time. Those cans are pretty darn good, okay? It's going to heat up about 200 square feet. It won't give away your location with noise or anything. Weighs less than 8 pounds. So definitely check it out. We got that on sale too. Don't forget to check out our Amazon affiliate store. Remember, folks, if there's nothing in that store you want, usually it's stuff that I do in my channel and have in my channel. If there's nothing in that store you want, just click the link, bookmark it, and use it to shop with Amazon every time you shop. We really do appreciate when you do that. Our freeze-dried wholesaler link. Remember, my link saves you 15%. Again, awesome way to stock up a little bit at a time on 25-year shelf life freeze-dried food. Everything from filet mignon to cheesecakes to strawberries, you name it, he's got it. And of course, our Thrive Life freeze-dried food store. Don't forget to check that out at the bottom as well. I thank you guys for watching. Please, if you are the winner, please contact me via email. My email is on my About page, and you just have to click that little thing that says you're a real person, and you'll be able to get it. I'll also put my email down below in the description. I thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stay prepared.